Mhm. Samsung has released its latest One UI 3.1 Android 11 update for its Galaxy Tab S6 in the Caribbean region. Living in Jamaica, it sometimes takes a while to get the latest update, perhaps because we are seen as a so-called third world country, although in recent times the latest security patches have been coming to our devices in the first week of each month. The One UI is a Samsung skin that covers the Android operating system. It allows the Samsung users to get that elite experience, which is unique to Samsung flagships. It involves features such as call and text on other devices, continue apps on other devices, Samsung DeX, Android Audio, side keys, the signature S Pen for Note devices and some tablets, motion gesture, and Bixby routine. I have covered some of these already. It must be noted, however, that UI in general means user interface, which defines the interaction between users and their digital devices. Not to stray too far, we want to take a look at these new features that the One UI 3.1 Android 11 has brought to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. The two major features of this update for the Tab S6 include, but not limited to, 1. The advanced multitasking experience that deals with AppsPair and Wireless DeX. 2. The advanced user experience that deals with lock screen, notification, color and notification light, and a few other things. Before we explore these new features, let us first ensure that we have the update. To get the update, pull down on your notification tray, scroll down, select Software Update, and you can take it from there. You can pause this video, and after the update, you may resume. While you are doing that, and since I have already done so, let me give a shout out to Smart Life Mobile, where their prices on gadgets and smartphone devices perfectly fit your purses and pockets. A link to Smart Life Instagram page and their contact number are in the description below. Now, let us explore, shall we? The first thing we want to look at is the AppsPair. Normally, after closing a set of apps, that's after multitasking, to retrieve them, you would have to manually pair them in the Apps Edge panel, like this. With this new update, you can retrieve them after clearing your screen. Interesting, right? Moving right along. The Wireless DeX feature was normally limited to the S10, S20, and the later Note flagships. Let's just say the phones. It is the very same feature that allows you to turn your device into a desktop for productivity. On the Tab S6, it could only be done through a wired connection. Now, it can be done wirelessly. To get Wireless DeX, pull down on your notification tray, select the text, and follow the instruction from there. It is also important to note that with this update, you can still use your device in tablet mode while connected to a display. And for the user experience, you can now perform the very same task on multiple Samsung devices. Let's say that you are doing something in Notes, but your tablet is on charge. You can pick up your phone and continue while moving around. To do this, ensure that your devices are signed in to your Samsung account. Bluetooth must be enabled. Go to your settings, go to advanced features, and enable continue apps on other devices. Once these conditions are met, you can now go to your recent apps tray, look at the lower right hand corner for the apps that you are working with. You can even cut, copy, and paste from one device to another. For notification, I will do a separate video on the lock screen and notification features, but for now, thanks for watching. If you enjoy, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as I upload new videos. Thank you.